Hey, I'm Steve, and we had Air Mechanical come out and do our furnace and air conditioning, and I'd just like to say they did a great job. Jim came out, he was the third guy out. We had to give bids and gave us an estimate, looked at some things. He came up with some plans that the other guys didn't come up with. They vented it through the back of the house, which all the other two guys that came out said it couldn't be done. They didn't even look at that, and they made it happen. Between Jim and Brian, really satisfied. They did a great job. I would highly recommend them.
Mother Nature naturally purifies the outdoor air with sunshine, wind, rain, and lightning. The air inside can't benefit from Mother Nature. The result is the constant recirculation of fine particles in the air we breathe. Did you know there are millions of particles in the average cubic foot of indoor air? 98% of those particles are invisible to the naked eye and are the cause of many allergies and asthma attacks. Dust particles often include skin flakes, pet dander, dust mite feces, pollen, and insect parts. Regular air filters are designed to protect your heating and cooling equipment from large particles, but do nothing for smaller airborne contaminants that we breathe. The solution is a polarized media air cleaner installed in your central HVAC system. Particles entering the duct system are attracted to and trapped on the charged fibers and carbon pad. In fact, this system is so effective, it captures 97% of particles in the air we breathe. Ultrafine particles that may pass through the air cleaner also become polarized and join together, making them easier to collect on the next pass. Plus, it helps keep heating and air conditioning systems running at peak performance and prevents premature breakdowns. The Dynamic Polarized Media Air Cleaner, your solution for cleaner, fresher, healthy air.
Molds, viruses, bacteria. These pollutants circulate through every home, causing congestion, runny noses, irritated eyes, and illness. Whether it's summer air conditioning season, spring or fall allergies, or the winter cold and flu season, Breathe Clean can help your family stay healthy.
Breathe Clean has made it a sick-free year for us. We have a 6-year-old and a 4-year-old, and neither one of them have been sick this year.
Breathe Clean is like having an immune system for your home, killing molds, viruses, and bacteria.
The impact that it's had on our life has been amazing. No sick days at work, our kids haven't missed a day of school.
Breathe Clean has kept my children healthy.
To find a dealer near you, visit breatheclean.com.
Tell your HVAC contractor you want Breathe Clean.
I'm Sharon Johnson from Lino Lakes. We had Jim Dudley from Air Mechanical come out to our house. We installed a dynamic air filter and Breathe Clean lights. And we also had our ductwork clean. And from that day forward, our granddaughter has no more asthmatic symptoms. She's quit taking her medication, and nobody in the house has had allergies this fall. So we're extremely pleased. Thank you.
Air Mechanical installed a new furnace and air conditioner for us in Lakeville approximately 7-8 years ago. And I happened to put in the Breathe Clean lights into the furnace, and I actually swear by that Breathe Clean product. It is great. The air is fresher and cleans the air throughout the whole house.
And I have asthma, and it helps a whole lot more with that too.
We'd just like to thank Air Mechanical. They did a great job with our house. We put in a new furnace, air conditioner, humidifier, and a garage furnace, and everything they did was great. They were timely, professional, and wonderful to work with.
We hired you guys to put in air conditioning, and it's absolutely fabulous. You were absolutely right on what you told us to do. It's keeping the house cool, the hottest days. I'm a happy camper. Thank you very much.
I really am very satisfied with Air Mechanical. Jim came and explained everything, and everything went great. Mike was out and installed my new furnace and air conditioner and did a great job. It was very quiet and professional, and I'm happy, and I would definitely recommend Air Mechanical.
fantastic. Strongly recommend Air Mechanical. Dave and Kenny, you're the best.
All right.
The best. Very happy customers.
Thank you.